Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a complete media center on your Firestick. This gives you access to an absolute massive amount of content. First, let us get your device ready. Go to your Firestick settings and select My Fire TV. Click on About, find your device name and click it 8 times. You will see a message saying you are now a developer. Press the Home button and search for the Downloader app. Look for the orange icon with a big letter D. Download and install it. Next, head back to your settings, go to My Fire TV, then Developer Options. Select Install Unknown Apps and turn the setting for Downloader to the On position. Now open Downloader and head to the URL bar. Type in the installation URL, newstore.tv exactly as shown. This will connect and download the wizard setup. Click Install, then press Done. Go back to your Developer Options and make sure Install Unknown Apps is turned on for the wizard. Launch the wizard, choose the Wall Power option, and ensure your Firestick is plugged into an actual outlet, not your TV. To run smoothly any apps in the device, you must use NordVPN. The installation link is mentioned in the description and comments. A VPN is strictly required to access the content store and ensure everything loads properly. One account covers unlimited devices across all your platforms. Once you click the link and sign up, return to the wizard and select Continue. Click on the first store link to download and install it. Run the connection test to confirm you can stream in 4K. Once finished, go back to your Firestick settings and turn off the Install Unknown Apps permission for safety. Open the New Store app and clear any announcement pop-ups. Head to the Categories section and select Best Apps. Look for the Media Center application that requires no external player. Click Download and install it. That is all it takes. Your new Media Center is ready to go. Make sure to use the NordVPN link in the description and comments to protect your privacy and keep your streams running smoothly. If you found this helpful, please drop a comment below, subscribe to Tech Vibes, and hit the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.